Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add floating animation in your Elementor WordPress website. So first of all, let me go in website dashboard, and now we need to install a plugin. So let me go in plugin sections and click on add plugin. Now here let me type LS Studio kit for Elementor, and then scroll down. You can install this plugin, and here you can see 20,000 plus active installations with 5-star ratings. So now let me go back here and enable Elementor page builder. So click here, and now Elementor page builder is loading. Now let me add here new section. So let me take 2 columns, and then here I want to add one image. So let me go here and upload the image. So we can also use images from this media library. So let me go here and select one of the image, this one, and after that let me resize. Okay, this one. Then go to advanced tab. Then here you can see floating effects. Click here. Then you can enable, and after that you can go here. Then here you can see this one is rotation. So let me scroll down, and you can change the value. So for example, for the rotation into x-axis, then you can use this one. For the scaling, here you can see you can adjust according to your requirement.